Hello, today I'm filling the windscreen washer for this ID.3, and there is a hood lever here which you will have to pull. See, now the bonnet hood is open. Gently lift and there is a safety catch, and then push that lever to the left hand side and then open the hood. Now lift this hood and you got this, you need to secure this hood with the arm or this rod lift. This is the blue cap. Lift this. You can see now it's completely empty, so I'm just refilling. So now if you can see, it's already full now. Close the cap and job done. So basically you put this rod back, secure nicely, and then bring the hood down or lock it. I hope you will enjoy this video of how to refill the screen washer or screen fluid to refill it. Thank you.